Welcome. Failure. Failure is common. Failure is not the end of our life. Everybody face failure. At least once you faced in life, in your life, right? Everybody face failure in their life, because failure is the actually success and failure. That is the common. Actually, that is the actually we should fail. Then we can learn something. If you fail once, then you think, oh, this is the end of my life. What should I do? What happened in my life? I am a failure. You always thinking negatively when you face failure. But change your thoughts. You have the fear to face failure. Don't be afraid to face failure. Failure is common. You have to face. You have to accept that challenge. Okay, failure is the good things in. Actually, that's my opinion. Failure is important in our life, because failure can teach us so many things. We can learn so many things from our failure. Also, how to be patient, and also how to be, how to face the problems from your failure. You can learn so many lessons from your failure, because we do so many bad things. That's why you fail. Example, Thomas Alva Edison. He failed 1,000 times to invent the electric bulb, but he never think, oh, I am a failure. He said this. I did 1,000 times. How can't I don't make the electric bulb this 1,000 times. He never feel like he never said he is a failure, because failure is come when you do something without your we have no preparation, or we have no idea what something you should do. So there is no idea in your mind, or there is no any knowledge. Just we are doing the experiment. So experiment means we have no idea what should do, but we are experimenting to do how we can invent, or how we can do something in more. So never fear about failure. Failure is important in our life. Okay, so when you face failure, don't think this is the end of your life. You think, what should next? That is important. You never give up on your failure. You think, what should next? What should how much I improve to face the problem, or what is my disability, what is my disqualification. You should realize, you should measure what is the problems in you, and you must improve your disabilities, and look at the next step, and you focus on the things consciously, and also you have a lot of experience. You have bad experience you got from your failure, so you can avoid that bad experience, bad things in next time. You can actually when you do that in the wrong way, you will fail. So you can get the knowledge from your failure, so you never do it again. So you can success. So when if you want to become success, you need a good opposite. You next I am giving you an example. If you are playing in football match, so two teams, they are playing football, and everybody try to get a goal in the opposite goal post. So you are, if you have any suffering, actually if you are in the playing place and there is no opponent, there is no defender in your when you face, there is no defender, so you can easily get the ball you can the ball put into the goal post. But you have a strong defenders, you have strong oppositors. If you have the strong opposite team, then you will become, you will improve your ability, you will focus on you and improve your quality, and you learn how to avoid this kind of defenders, and also you can get the power, confidence, and you never fear to play the football. Same like anything you do in your life, you need a good opposite team. Okay, the competitor you need to play your life also. Like I hope you can understand. So if you have a strong oppositor, so you learn how to improve yourself. What should you do to win in your life? You learn so many things in your life. You should like that. Okay, you should focus on yourself. You should improve yourself. You should learn. You should, every day you focus on you, and your ability should improve. Then only you can win. There is no you should suffering. So there is no suffer. How you can celebrate your success? Actually, only the opposite party or the other team, you need to play your game also, your life game also. If you have a good strong life oppositor or competitor, then you can win easily, because you focus on yourself. You know how to play your game. You know how to win. You will have the willpower. You have the willpower also. You will win. So failure is important in your life. That means you can learn so many things from your failure. So that is the important things to get success, because failure is important to get success also. Okay, only if you have if you feel, or if you have any, if you have you face failure, then only you can get the success, and you can celebrate your success also. Okay, so please don't afraid to be failure. The fear of failure, you avoid that word. Okay, you always be positive. The negative things you avoid. You have the mindset to overcome your negativity. Okay, every time you have the positive mindset and winning mindset, then only you can win your life also. Failure is that is a part of our life. Just face it. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.